In this video, I'm going to talk to you about subject and object questions. This is important when you're asking questions in the present simple and past simple. First, let me give you a quick reminder of the meaning of subject and object. Look at this sentence. Jane bought a new umbrella. The subject is the person or thing which does the action, the doer. So, what is the subject of the sentence? The subject is Jane. Jane bought a new umbrella. The action happens to the object. So, what is the object in our sentence? The object is a new umbrella. Right, let's have a look at object questions. Let's start with this sentence. Jane bought something. I don't know the object. What's the question? What did Jane buy? Did you guess correctly? Let's look at another example. My parents drive something. Again, I don't know the object. What's the question? I'll give you a clue. Start with what kind. What kind of car do your parents drive? One more. Daniel teaches something. What's the question? Be careful. What do you need to remember when it's he or she? What does Daniel teach? These are called object questions because I'm asking about the object. So, if I'm asking about the object, the question follows the quasi pattern. Question, auxiliary, subject, infinitive, QASI or quasi. What did Jane buy? What kind of car do your parents drive? What does Daniel teach? They all follow the same pattern. You might notice that I've written the question word in blue. That's because the question word is the object. Now let's look at subject questions. Somebody wrote Harry Potter. This time I don't know the subject. What's the question? Who wrote Harry Potter? Notice this time there is no did. Let's try another one. Somebody usually cooks dinner. Again, I don't know the subject. What's the question? Who usually cooks dinner? One more. Something happened yesterday. What's the question? What happened yesterday? So if I'm asking about the subject, the question follows the same pattern as the sentence. J.K. Rowling wrote Harry Potter, and who wrote Harry Potter? In the question, who is the subject? There are no auxiliary verbs in subject questions, no do, does or did.